Hello YouTube, we will be assembling this table saw DOVAMAN user manual table saw. We'll follow this assembling guide, pretty straightforward, very detailed. This is the parts, several nice parts. It has a vacuum system. This is so cool. We'll put this together right now, starting with this handle. The handle goes right here with no problem. There is a screw here. We need to set this screw, and I will talk about all of these adjustments, but basically every time you spin this, elevates the blade. This way it goes down, that way it goes up. And this wheel right here, you need to lose this a little bit here. Once you do, it changes the angle. So not this one, but this one changes the angle. So right now I'm sitting at about 15, 16 degrees. Then I lock in place. I'm going to raise the blades, and you see there is an angle right there. If I go back and I turn this all the way to 90 degrees, that's 90 degrees straight. So the first assemble piece, it's gonna be this, set this screw, and then second one is gonna be removing this, then pull all the way up right here. You have this all the way up. See this? We need this black part here, which is the blade guard. It goes right here, just like so, and then tight this one really good, fix it in place. Then the next part is gonna be putting this back. Get your dust collector, because that's where you're gonna assemble your dust hose. And this right here goes right here. Goes in an angle like this. Make sure you get the first screw. And then you lock in place with this pin right here. See, this is not going anywhere. It has this guard, it lifts. You can come here and wow, it's going to suck all the dust. That's the intent. The hose is gonna be right here. Then let me check the manual here for the order of assembly. So we done this. We have done that. This is all done. We have done this. This is all complete. Installing the dust bag and the hose. I don't think there is a lot of secrets here. This will come all the way here. Where is it? Oops, I need to rotate this. Right here. So this goes right here. And then the other end goes here. Just like that. Connected right here. Going all the way here. Don't forget your bracket here to support your hose. Curve, and then right here. And I just remember that I forgot to add this piece back. So now I need to remove this. So going to go this lever, remove this, remove this. Oops. Then this one goes right here. Oops. That was not the intent. I get this here. Okay, there you go. By the way, this is not plastic, this is metal. Good metal. There you go. Then let's put this back on, just like so. Lock this pin right here. Then this is not going anywhere. Dust bag has been installed right here, and it's sitting right here. When it turns on, it's gonna inflate. This is how you remove all the dust. Just pull this clip here, and then you empty this up. Once you're done, you just pull this back in place like this, and it's closed again. So we have a couple of more parts here. This is the slider, goes right here. This is so you can slide the parts without cutting your fingers.
Daddy, look!
Nice, Anthony, that's a nice piece. This one is the ruler, goes right here. Look, locks in place, and you see here, okay, 60 locks in place. Really good. Coming part tool to just pull the parts without cutting your fingers. A couple more tools here to replace the blade if you need to. Need to assemble this bracket down here. We'll do that. This is it from underneath. See, high quality metal plates. That's the bracket I just installed. Right here you have these knobs here, one in each side, and then these rails. So I come here and I go like this. Let me get this back. Now you can do this. Extend. Turning this on and cutting this wooden piece right here. As you can see, collects all the dust. There is no dust flying everywhere. Everything is being sucked by this vacuum system. What a smart way of doing. Directly attached to the engine or to the electric motor. From a different angle now. See, it cuts, it sucks through this hose all the way and it goes to the bag. It's a big bag, that's the bag inflated already. Let's do a couple of more cuts right here. Makes very clean cuts, perfect. And it's very, very safe with all of these guards and the tools. Now I'm going to use this long aluminum frame to hold the part. You can measure. And there you go, using this tool so you don't need to put your fingers close to the blade. Goes all the way. Very nice. I'm very happy with this. So as you could see, this feature here with the vacuum hose directly attached to the blade and this whole bag, it made this machine a unique equipment. See, there is no dust anywhere. Oh, this is the retractable track here. Very convenient when working with large pieces. Extends quite a lot. Very good flat base. This is all metal, heavy duty. This is the guide, really light and straight, aluminum guide. The blade is right there. Has all of this protection here because as it's cutting, it's sucking all the dust through here. It goes right here through this bag, and then you have a clip here. I assume there will be some good amount of dust here because we just cut several pieces of this wooden piece here. So really easy to operate. You have this convenient push aluminum rod here. Place your part right here and then just push through the blade. If you want to do a 45-degree cut, just unnotch this one, twist this to 45-degree like so, lock in place, get your part here, and there you go. Then you go for a 45-degree angle cut with precision. That's really easy to operate. I was cutting these pieces before. You can cut much larger pieces as well. You can remove this if this is the case. This lever here, as I showed before, it controls the height. As I'm rotating, it's going up or down just through this one. As it completely hides the blade right there. This big knob right here, once you release this right here, you can rotate the angle. See the angle there, 15 degrees now, and then keep on going 30 degrees, and then you lock in place. Look what happened. You have a nice 30-degree angle in that table right now. And if I come with these parts, again, it's the same principle. Just comes when you raise the blade. The blade is too low. You go here, it hits the blade right there. It cuts in a nice angle. Really interesting, easy to use. Machine has so much things. Close this. You can store your ruler right here. There is some place here for additional storage on tools. Big safety powers and stop switch. Very powerful machine.